Now we're doing TryHackMe, pre-security, how the web works, how websites work, task 4, sensitive data exposure. All right. So sensitive data exposure occurs when a website doesn't properly protect or remove sensitive clear text information to the end user, usually found in a site's front-end source code, right? So like the HTML and all that stuff. So we now know that websites are built using many HTML elements or tags, all of which we can see simply by viewing the page source. All right. So if we do this, view page source, we can see we've got a head tag here, we got a meta tag, and all kinds of other stuff. All right. So a website developer may have forgotten to remove login credentials, hidden links to private parts of the website, or other sensitive data shown in HTML or JavaScript. Right. So sensitive information can be potentially leveraged to further an attacker's access within different parts of a web application, right? For example, there could be HTML comments with temporary login credentials, and if we viewed the page's source code and found this, we could use these credentials to log in elsewhere on the application, or worse, we could use it to access other backend components of the site. So like over here, we can see when we go through the thing, we've got this comment right here, a to-do list, remove test credentials, and the credentials are going to be the username of admin and the password of password123, right? So whenever we're assessing a web application, I don't know who would do that, honestly, but I don't know why anybody would do that. Just have a freaking notepad open, you know? Well, whatever. Whenever we're assessing a web application for security issues, one of the first things we should do is review the page's source code so that we can see if we can find any exposed login credentials or hidden links. All right. So we're going to view the website on this link, and we're going to find the password hidden in the source code. So we're not going to use this view site over here, because if we press F12, we'll just find everything for this site itself, and that's just going through way too much. So they provided us a link to this page, and so we can go over here and we can press F12 and we can just go through this, right? So we've got the head, we can go through this. There's nothing in there, right? We got the body already open. Let's go through this div. All right. Nothing here. Let's go through this div. Nothing here. Let's go into the span. Nothing here. Let's go into this div. Nothing. Let's go to this div right here. Nothing. This form. And there it is right there. We've got a to-do, remove test credentials, username admin, and then password test pass WD right there. So let's put the password right here that we have over there, which was test pass WD, like that, and submit it. There we go. All right. So now we're on to task 5, HTML injection, and we'll see you next time.